All right, man. Thank you for tuning in. I'm making a video on E-Z-GO TXT, how to take the motor off. The customer complained about whenever they take off, the car shakes on acceleration at the very beginning. That's it. Sound like brushes are stuck in it. First thing you want to do is take the battery wire off, kill the circuit. Then you're gonna need a 7/16 wrench and a 1/2 inch wrench. The motor has 3 bolts on it. You got one here, and then one on this side. 3 bolts. You can use a ratchet if you wanted to. There's the second bolt at the very top. Of course, the way it looks, oxidized, you know it's been sitting out in the salt air somewhere. So I'm hoping that this video here don't show the motor stuck on there, because about 50% of the time the motor sticks on there, and it's pain in the butt to get off. Like I said, 7/16 wrench. Like and subscribe to the videos, man. If you want any videos of certain things, or if you have any questions, ask them. I'll try to get back in a timely manner. Boy. Then once you do that, you can spin the motor. I'll try to break it free a little bit. And then you can spin it, that way you can see, get access to the wires easier. 1/2 inch wrench. But I always put the nut back on them. That way, when you take the motor off, if you drop it, you won't mess the threads up on the stud. Mark your wires. Some of them got marked. That says A2 on it. Can't really see it. Like I said, I always put the nut back on, man. I'm not left-handed. All right. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. And this is E-Z-GO TXT 48 volts, so it has a speed sensor, which actually unbolts. No, I'm going to actually unsnap. Try to give me a tie strap cutter. A zip tie cutter. You see it's got a zip tie on it.
My name's Christopher Goober, Wheels.
Unplug it. Now, if you got a 36 volt PDS, you won't have this plug on there. You'll have to actually take the speed sensor off the end of the motor. Just got to pull up like that. Back, taking the wires off. If you don't mark the wires, you'll see that you can't really see on here because it's painted, but you got a black and white wire, which is the two smaller wires. If you do put them backwards, it won't hurt nothing. You'll just run forward and reverse them forward. So no big deal. Ain't nothing better than putting the wrong wrench down and picking the wrong wrench back up again. It's pretty good. I wouldn't use the impact gun taking the nuts off because you might break it off. With the impact gun, you can't feel if it's stuck or not. It's just gonna hammer it. Then we're going to take the motor off. What we're going to do here, we're going to pick up on it and slide it. I'm trying not to sit the phone out here. You want to pick up on it and try to shake it. It's coming off pretty easy here. And just slide off, just like that. That weighs about 60 pounds.
Two 2-year-old babies.
Yeah, about two 2-year-old babies or two of this guy right here. He's about 35 pounds soaking wet. All right, man, stay tuned. I'll post a video of me doing the brushes.